Hello student, in this video we are going to discuss basic chemistry test objective or fill in the blanks type question. So the first question is the correct set of quantum number for the unpaired electron of chlorine atom is. Now we talk about chlorine atom which has atomic number 17 and electronic configuration of chlorine atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. So the valence electron of chlorine is 5 and the last orbital electron is 3p. तो यहाँ जो बॉक्स बनेंगे 3p ऑर्बिटल को फिल करने के लिए जो बॉक्स बनते हैं वो 3 बॉक्स बनते हैं, क्योंकि p ऑर्बिटल में मैक्सिमम 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन को हम लोग फिल कर सकते हैं। तो यहाँ 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन है तो हमने 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन को फिल किया। पहले क्लॉकवाइज फिल करते हैं, उसके बाद जो बचता है उसको फिल करते हैं। तो यहाँ एक एक इलेक्ट्रॉन फिल होगा, उसके बाद 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन फिर फिल होंगे। सो n इक्वल टू 3 एंड l इक्वल टू n माइनस 1, that is 3 minus 1 equal to 2, and the value of m lies between minus L2 plus L, that is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So the value of m equal to 5. So the correct answer is D, where n equal to 3, L equal to 2 and m equal to 5. Let's talk about question number 2. The spectrum of helium ion is expected to be similar to that. When we talk about helium ion, helium has atomic number 2 and helium ion has atomic number 2 minus 1, that is 1. And we know that hydrogen atom has atomic number 1. So the helium ion is similar to hydrogen atom. Question number 3. No two electron in an atom will have all 4 quantum number same. This statement is known as. So we know that according to Pauli's exclusion principle, no two electron in an atom will have all 4 quantum number. So the correct answer is Pauli exclusion principle. Question number 4. Which of the following set of quantum number represent the highest energy of an atom? Now we're talking about quantum number, that is 4 quantum number: principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, spin quantum number and magnetic quantum number. So the value of quantum number is highest when the value of n plus maximum. According to above principle, n plus L value represent the highest energy of an atom. So the option given B is the correct, because n plus L value is highest in option B. So the correct answer is B. Let's talk about question number 5. According to Bohr theory, the angular momentum of an electron in the 5th orbital is. So according to Bohr theory, angular momentum is ns by 2 pi. Here orbit is 5th. So the n equal to 5. Then L equal to 5h upon 2 pi equal to 2.5 h upon pi. That is option number D is the right for question number 5. The unit of equivalent conductivity. So the equivalent conductivity unit is ohm inverse centimeter square gram equivalent inverse. Let's talk about question number 7. Faraday law of electrolysis are related to. We know that Faraday law of electrolysis is related to equivalent of electrolyte, because Faraday law of electrolyte state that equivalent weight is directly proportional to charge passing through the circuit. So W is proportional to Q, or W equal to ZIT, where W equal to equivalent weight. So the correct option is C, equivalent weight of electrolyte. Question number 8. Write electronic configuration of Fe3 plus ion. We know that Fe element has atomic number 26 and Fe3 plus ion has atomic number 26 minus 3, that is 23. So we have to write atomic number 23 of electronic configuration. We have to write electronic configuration of Fe3 plus ion, that is 23 number of electron. So the electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d10. 3d3. 3d3. Question number 9. The element which has highest standard reduction potential value is. The element which has highest standard reduction potential value is fluorine, because it has plus 2.87 volt standard reduction potential value. In mercury cell, which act as cathode. So in mercury cell, HGO, that means mercuric oxide and paste of carbon, act as cathode. So these are the questions, objective questions of all the first test. So I hope this will be beneficial for you. Thank you.